hope you are doing well. Today class I will take about athletics throwing events. The four standard throwing events: shot put, discus, hammer and javelin all involve the use of implements of various weights and shapes that are hurdled for distance. Introduction of field event. Track and field events have a long and rich tradition and are some of the oldest athletes considered in recorded human history. In this second part, we will explain field events which take place on a larger fields. As opposed to the running track, they can be classified as jumping and throwing categories. First throwing event is javelin. The javelin throw is a track and field event where the javelin is spear about 2.5 meter in length is thrown. The javelin thrower gains momentum by running with a predetermined area. Javelin throwing is an event of both the man and the woman. The measurement of javelin. A throw is legal only if the tip of the javelin lands within this sector and the tip skirts the ground before any other part of the javelin. The distance of the throw is measured from the throwing arc to the point where the tip of the javelin landed, rounded down to the nearest centimeter. Second throwing event is shot put. The shot put is a track and field event involving putting a heavy spear ball the shot as far as possible. The shot put competition for men has been a part of the modern Olympics since their revival in 1896 and women competition began in 1948. There are two types of shot putting style: the glide and the rotation throw, also known as the spin. For a man, 60 feet is a heck of a throw, but 55 feet is a nice throw. Hood said for women 50 feet is an excellent throw. Anything above that is really good. Basic shot put technique. Holding the shot put is held at the base of the finger, not the palm. The finger are slightly spread apart with the thumb for supported. Neck placement: rise the shot above your head. Lower the shot straight down until it the under your jaw. The angle of the shot put. The standard view that the opinion projection angle is shot putting is about 42 degrees. May be understood by using the well-known formula by the range of a projectile in free fall. Third throwing event is discus throw. The discus throw, also known as disc throw, is a track and field event in which an athlete throw a heavy disc called a discus. Is an attempt to mark a further distance than their competitor. It is an ancient sport, as demonstrated by the 5th century BC. Generally, throw into a moderate headwind achieve the maximum distance. Also, a faster spin discus impact greater stability. The technique of discus throw is quite difficult to master and needs much experience to perfect. Thus, most top throwers are 30-year-old or more. Fourth throwing event is hammer throw. The hammer throw is one of the four throwing events in regularly track and field competition. Along with the discus throw, shot put, and javelin, the hammer used in the sports is not like any of the two, also called by the name. It's considered of a metal ball attached by a steel wire to a grip. And athletics has added by following rules were performing in a hammer throw competition. Before the starter for preliminary swing, an athlete is allowed to put the head of hammer either inside or outside the circle. It is not a foul if before the starting of preliminary swing the throw puts in hammer or ground, but if after preliminary swing the head of the hammer touch ground or hammer is dropped by the athletes, then it will be counted as a foul. While being in the air, if the hammer breaks, then it will be not be counted as a foul, provided the athlete has played under correct rule and regulation.